Alright, what is up, guys? It is Sunday, and Monday is actually Memorial Day, so shouldn't be a lot of people out. Hopefully they're already there if they're traveling and stuff. But we are going to take a little trip to the new lot and just see if we can get some work in. Also see if we can get my finger a little bit more muscled up, because it definitely still hurts. And I gotta close my pocket actually. Make sure everything's in my pocket so I'm all set. Go. Alright. Coming in. Looking around. It doesn't look like any cops, any people, anything, so that's always a good sign. Doesn't look like any people in that parking lot either, so that's even nicer. Not that I'm gonna use it, but just knowing that there's nobody there. What is this? I want to check this out. Yeah, love this little lock. What is this? This is just a circle. Literally just a circle. Interesting. Okay, good enough. I could do circles here. So, cool little thing. Got the little bridge. Oh, my finger hurts. Up a little bit. I was gonna hit that, damn. Alright, let's see if I can almost teach my body that this is the feeling I sit down. A long enough straightaway so I can do it at max length of this lot. Oh, too far. Actually breaking a sweat. Now I'm still just working on my swerve and balance. I have the balance down pretty well, but I keep swerving and shit. Not helping me. I mean, I guess it is in the end. But right now, it gets a little bit scurry. See that right there? When I got all my weight on one side. Put a little bit too much weight on that side. Okay, so if I can can get comfortable with that. I just have, oh my god, you see that? See? I almost psyched myself out, and then that was actually really bad. That was horrible. Turn my throw towards me a little bit. So I have to stretch my arm all the way up. Practice, practice, practice. It's all it takes. Seriously though, I'm fucking around, but like, I need seat time. Because that's all it really takes. It took me about 2 months to get this, because I just went at it over and over and over and over and over and over again. So I got it pretty fast, but everything else I've been kind of mixing into other stuff and then still trying to perfect it. And it is pretty good, but I definitely need to start learning some other stuff still, because I am not able to lean or still scrape. Like I can, but I'll most likely lose my footing. Let's see. My instincts are to hit rear brake. Get so close though. I just gotta come back real slow and then come back at it. Well, I'm almost completely straight up there. Don't do what I do, people. How many times I gotta say this? Don't do what I do, because every freaking time I take off my feet, I have no idea why. There should not be instinct. You see how when I actually set it back to scrape though, I can't keep it even. That's what I'm trying to figure out, because every time I do scrape, it catches an edge of the fucking titanium or 12 bar and sends me flying off to the other side, or one side. Nope. Alright, my finger is killing me. We're just gonna ride around for a few minutes, see if this finger will just kind of get a little better. So we'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna do a few more stunts and then head home, because my finger is killing me. Yeah, pretty much because my finger's killing me, and it's really hard to do shit without a flush finger. So Definitely getting better. Love to get this practice in. But I think I am gonna head out. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. Seriously, appreciate you guys. Always tuning in, always throwing comments down, liking the videos. I appreciate you. Keep on sharing with your friends. We're at 72 subscribers right now, and I really want to get up to, like, 420 or something like that. So share with your friends, like, comment, subscribe, everything you have been doing. And I just thought of something. What if I could jump that, come out in a wheelie? You know what I mean? Like, come at it like real straight. Ha! No way. Oh my god. Oof, tried to jump that one. Alright. Well, till next time, guys. I'll probably be out, tomorrow, and definitely on Tuesday we're gonna go hang out with a bunch of guys and go to a bar up in Burlington. So that'll definitely be a video. So stay tuned. So stay tuned. And